As part of measures to stem the outbreak of COVID-19 in the country, the government imposed a full curfew today, which started at 4 p.m. and will last until the 30th of this month.
The decision was taken following recommendations of health authorities after the COVID-19 infections reached the highest tally since the pandemic began. More details in the following report with Hind Hazal.
Kuwait has taken several precautionary measures to limit the spread of COVID-19, including a full curfew that starts today as of 4 p.m. until May 30. Deputy Premier, Interior Minister and Minister of State for Cabinet Affairs, Anas Saleh, urged citizens and expatriates to cooperate with security authorities towards implementing a full curfew for their own safety. At an online news conference following an extraordinary cabinet meeting, Saleh said full curfew, which will be extended until after Eid al-Fitr, is the last phase of measures to be undertaken by the government, adding this will be followed by gradual return to normal life, and by then, the health authorities will have completed all necessary tests to deal with this disease. The minister said in a statement that the government formed emergency teams in the 6 governorates to follow up implementation of curfew and deal with emergency cases. However, people can exercise outdoors between 4:30 – 6:30 p.m. every day inside residential areas, but without use of cars, if they wear face masks and abide by the physical distancing. Deputy Premier added that those working in vital facilities like health, security, electricity and water, oil and municipality will be given permits to move during curfew. Private sector companies that deal with electricity, refiners, oil and health sectors will also be allowed to operate, and only necessary government departments would be working, limiting operation of private sector to contractors determined by the cabinet and stopping home deliveries, with expectation of cooperative societies, food stores and pharmacies. Moreover, live interviews by media outlets would be suspended to be replaced by online interviews, and distribution of newspaper and media publications will be halted too. The government hoped the public would abide by the full curfew and comply with the health authorities' instructions, foremost staying at home, avoid crowds, physical distancing, and the use of masks.